Bring in star chip analyst Stacy Rasgon of Bernstein Research. Good to see you again.
Good to be here.
All right, so what do we make of the 2-week pullback? PEs come in, and now we have a bounce back really initiated by that Morgan Stanley note yesterday and follow through today.
Okay, so I don't know what other folks are saying about it. I mean, I don't really care. We know as we're going into earnings, remember they report earnings next week. This is why there's more attention on it now. Numbers are going up. You can sort of look at the current demand environment for AI and for their products. You can look at the supply chain and the amount of capacity that appears to be getting added. You can sort of do the math on the revenue potential that is there, and you can compare it to what's in the current numbers. It is highly likely that numbers are headed north as they report next week. And as people are sort of getting ready for earnings, I think that's what's driving it. But the environment for their products looks off the charts right now.
So let's talk about that, the demand, because as our Christina Partsinevelos, who covers this space, notes, everybody wants the chips, but at some point, aren't they supply constrained by how many chips they can actually produce for those who want them, and what implications over the bigger picture is that going to have, given all the hype that's around chips they may not be able to produce as fast as some people think?
Well, I mean, so the biggest limiter of their revenue over the next, probably year plus is likely to be the supply. So you're absolutely right. I think they're going to sell every part that they can make. And I think it is a good question, like in the near term, over the next quarter or two, they're adding a lot of supply. It does take time to bring it online. They've been selling out of inventory for the last quarter or so as they sort of bring the stuff up, but that will be the question. I don't know. I mean, if they walk into next week and they report, and look, like I said, the numbers are certainly going to be higher than where at least sell side consensus is. But if they miss buy side, but we know the demand is there and they talk it up, and like I said, you can sort of do some of the math on the revenue potential next year. That doesn't feel bad to me, to be in a position where you're like literally selling every part that you can make as quickly as possible as you can bring that stuff online. That doesn't feel like a bad place to be, at least to me.
What's the right PE, do you think? Like, what do you look at and you say, you know what, this makes sense to me? Stock, as I said, in May was 60+ times forward. Now it's come 40 some odd times.
It's about 40,
forward.
and frankly, like the buy side estimates are probably higher than the sell side estimates. On the buy side expectations, it's probably 30 times, give or take, on next year, which is not a crazy number, especially as if you're looking out over a longer period, 5 years, 10 years. It is highly likely that if they can hit numbers like that, that's still not the global peak or the global maximum in their earnings potential. I'm still convinced, if we're looking out 5 years, 10 years, we will be talking about numbers that are materially higher than what we're talking about today. And so, no, as long as you think that it can still grow, and I do think it can, if you're 30, 40 times, it doesn't feel like an awful multiple, especially given some of the multiples that we've seen in the past. And by the way, you can compare it to the rest of the semiconductor industry, and on a relative, I think it's about a 1.6 relative multiple to the SOX, which is actually in line to low, relative to where it's historically traded over its history.
I just want to note, take a break from our conversation just for 5 seconds and just say that stocks are at the lows of the day across the board.